Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It is so good to see you today. I am David.
And hello everyone, I am Alice. We are so happy you are here with us. How are you today, David?
I am doing fantastic, Alice. But you know, today we are going to help our listeners change their English completely. We are going to stop using a very tired phrase.
Oh yes, today's topic is stop saying very good. Now, 10 words native speakers actually use. Easy English lesson.
This is a big one. Many beginners tell me, David, when something is nice, my brain always says very good. I want to sound more natural, but I get stuck.
Yes, it is like a reflex. Everything is very good. The weather is very good. The food is very good. The movie was very good. It is a bit boring, right?
It is, and native speakers actually use many different simple words to express this. Today, we will teach you 10 easy words to replace very good immediately.
Yes, before we upgrade your vocabulary, please take a quick second to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us create more slow, simple, and friendly lessons for you.
Thank you so much. Let us start with word number 1, great.
Oh, great is a classic. It is very easy to say. Great.
Yes, instead of saying, your English is very good, you can say, your English is great. Let us repeat it. Your English is great.
I love that word. It sounds so warm. Word number 2 is awesome.
This is very popular in casual conversations. Awesome. It means extremely good. For example, the party last night was awesome. Let us say it together. Awesome.
Yes, I love using awesome. It makes you sound very friendly. Let us repeat. The party was awesome.
Word number 3 is wonderful.
This is a beautiful word. Wonderful. It has a soft, happy sound. For example, we had a wonderful holiday. Let us repeat it slowly. We had a wonderful holiday.
Word number 4 is amazing.
Amazing. This word shows you are really impressed. For example, this chocolate cake is amazing.
Oh, chocolate cake is definitely amazing. Let us repeat that sentence. This chocolate cake is amazing.
Word number 5 is excellent.
This is a bit more professional, but still very common. Excellent. For example, you did an excellent job on the test. Let us repeat it. An excellent job.
Now let us look at word number 6, fantastic.
This word has a lot of energy. Fantastic. For example, the weather today is fantastic. Let us repeat it slowly. The weather is fantastic.
Word number 7 is lovely.
This is very common, especially in British English. Lovely. It means nice and pleasant. For example, we had a lovely walk in the park. Let us say it together. A lovely walk.
Yes, lovely is so British. I love it. Word number 8 is perfect.
When something has no mistakes or is exactly what you need, it is perfect. For example, this room is perfect for studying. Let us repeat it. This room is perfect.
Word number 9 is superb.
Superb. This is a very elegant word. It means top quality. For example, the service at the hotel was superb. Let us repeat it. The service was superb.
And finally, word number 10, brilliant.
This is another favorite. Brilliant. It means very smart or outstanding. For example, that is a brilliant idea. Let us repeat it. A brilliant idea.
This table makes it so simple to choose a new word, David. Now let us do some real-life practice dialogues so our listeners can hear these words in a natural conversation.
Great idea. Let us listen to dialogue number 1. Alice and I are talking about a meal we just ate. Wow, Alice, did you enjoy the lunch?
Oh yes, the soup was absolutely amazing, David.
I agree, and the service was excellent too.
Yes, the waiter was so polite. It was a wonderful experience.
See, we did not say very good even once, but the conversation sounded so natural and positive.
Exactly. Now let us listen to dialogue number 2. We are talking about a movie we watched yesterday. David, did you watch the new action movie?
Yes, I did. The actors were fantastic, and the story was brilliant.
Oh, really? I thought it was just okay.
No, for me, the ending was perfect. You should definitely watch it.
Okay, I will.
Excellent. Now, let us test our listeners' brains with an interactive challenge.
I love games. Listeners, I will say a sentence with very good. You must change it using one of our 10 new words. Sentence number 1. The book is very good. Change it. I will give you 3 seconds. David, what is a better way to say it?
You can say, the book is great, or the book is amazing.
Perfect. Sentence number 2. He has a very good plan. Change it. What is the answer?
You can say, he has a brilliant plan, or he has a fantastic plan.
Yes, and sentence number 3. Your pronunciation is very good. Change it.
You can say, your pronunciation is excellent, or your pronunciation is perfect. You are all doing an amazing job today.
Yes, click that like button if you are practicing with us right now.
Now, let us do our final slow and clear repetition round. Repeat after us aloud at home, everyone. Great.
Great.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Excellent.
Excellent.
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Brilliant. Your English vocabulary is growing so fast.
Yes, we are incredibly proud of you. Before we go, we want to connect with you in the comments.
Today's question is, what is something you think is awesome? It can be a movie, a food, or even your favorite hobby. Write your answer below using one of our new words. For example, pizza is awesome, or the weather today is fantastic.
We cannot wait to read your comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend.
Thank you for listening while cooking, driving, studying, or relaxing. Keep practicing, and we will see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.